Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Kohl store credit card. Card setup guide step by step clearly. First, locate your new Kohl's card and make sure you have it in front of you. Check the front and back of the card to confirm your name is spelled correctly. Find the activation sticker or printed instructions on the card packaging if it is included. Turn the card over and look for the customer service phone number and the website address. Prepare a pen and paper to write down any confirmation number you receive. Have your personal information ready, such as your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your SSN if requested. If you want to activate by phone, call the number printed on the back of your card. Choose your preferred language when the automated system asks. When prompted, enter your card number using your phone keypad. Enter the security code if the system requests it, usually found on the back of the card. Verify your identity by answering the requested security questions. Listen carefully and confirm the activation when the system asks for approval. Wait for the message that says your card is now active. Write down the activation confirmation number if one is provided. If you prefer online activation, open a browser on your phone or computer. Type the official Kohl's card management site shown on your card materials. Select the option that says Activate Card or Card Activation. Enter your card number exactly as it appears on the front of the card. Fill in the requested personal details to confirm your identity. Create or sign into your online account if the site asks you to do so. Set a strong password and store it safely if you are creating a new account. Review and accept the terms if they appear during the activation process. Submit the activation form and wait for the confirmation screen. Take a screenshot of the confirmation page or note the confirmation details. Sign the back of your card with a permanent pin as soon as it is activated. Make your first purchase with the card and keep the receipt to confirm it works. Set up account alerts and auto pay in your online profile to avoid missed payments. Store the customer service number in your phone in case you need help later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.